Did you know you can enjoy gluten-free soft rotis just like wheat roti, but with much more added nutrients? If you're someone who's watching their diet or is gluten intolerant, then this video is for you. Please watch till the end. Today I'll show you some simple tips and tricks on how you can make really soft round rotis just like wheat roti. So follow along and find out more about this miracle grain which we call Bajra or pearl millet. Bajra is so densely nutrient, it has 9 essential amino acids, so it's really high in protein and really antioxidant. It's good for heart health because of its high levels of magnesium. With these simple tips, you can make Bajra roti really easily. First, we have to bring 1 cup of water to a boil. Just add 1 cup of water to a pan and let it come to a boil. When the water boils, you add 1 cup of Bajra flour or pearl millet to the pot. Try to use the same measuring cup as you used for the water. Don't stir the flour, just cover and cook on low flame for 1 minute. After 1 minute, add salt to taste and mix everything together. Try to use a wooden spoon. Mix everything together very nicely. The key here is really to knead the dough very well. People who are low in iron should really try to include Bajra in their diet because it has high levels of iron, and it also fights anxiety and stress because of its high levels of calcium and magnesium. Take the dough out in a bowl, and when it cools down a bit, knead it very well. You can wet your hand slightly and knead it. Again, the more you knead it, the more you'll find the dough is becoming more and more pliable and soft. So just keep kneading it for about 2 to 5 minutes. Take some dry Bajra flour and take the dough out on a flat surface and again knead some more. Try to knead it really well to make it more soft and easy to roll. You'll see how nicely the ball is coming together, it's not sticking to the surface. Once you find that the dough is really soft and pliable, take some more dry Bajra flour and start making rotis just like you would make wheat rotis. It rolls really nicely and it doesn't stick at all to the surface. Just take some more dry Bajra and roll it. It's up to you if you want thin rotis or if you want slightly thicker rotis. I prefer to make really thin rotis. See how nicely it's rolling and it's not sticking at all. It's really difficult to knead Bajra flour because it doesn't have gluten, but when we add hot water to it, it becomes nice and soft and really easy to roll. Bajra is really good for people who are watching their diet because of its high levels of fibers. It keeps you full for long. It also increases your metabolism, and best of all, it's 100% gluten free, so you don't have to worry about gluten intolerance. So when we make the roti, we cook it on a low flame, medium to low flame on a normal tawa. Keep flipping it every 30 to 40 seconds to cook it evenly on both sides. If your rotis are a bit thick, then they will puff up very nicely. I like to make thin rotis so it's not puffing as well, but you'll see it does puff up a little bit. But if it's thick roti, then it will puff up all the way. Bajra has so many health benefits. It's also known to be anti-cancerous, and because of its high level of nutrients, it fights blood pressure, cholesterol, diabetes, and PCOD. You can make multiple rotis and keep it in the fridge for 2 days. I like to make multiple because it keeps very well in the fridge. You just need to warm up for 10 seconds in the microwave or on normal tawa and it just really becomes nice and soft again. You can spread some butter or ghee. You can also add more spices to it like turmeric or chili powder, but I'd like to make it plain with just salt so I can enjoy it with more curries and vegetables. It's really tasty and really nutritious, and you should really try to include Bajra in your diet because it has so many health benefits, and best of all because of it is gluten free. You should really try to consume Bajra, especially during winter months. It's alkaline in nature, and because of its complex carbs, it keeps you full for long. If you found this video to be useful, please consider subscribing to my channel and share and like the video, and let me know in comments if you need any more information about Bajra. Thanks for watching.